Guys, another but for today. So they put support concrete and upstairs support weld on the top. So from top there's a support weld and support concrete. So that is the foundation of the crane inside the shop. Okay, so that's it. How to build a crane lifter inside the shop. Okay, the support wheel at the bottom, plus the concrete. So that's why there's a space in the ground. See, just to cover the bolt and the glue, red glue, for supporting the the foundation from bolt to glue and welding on the top. So that is the process how to build a lifter or a crane lifter or crane sliding in the shop. Crane sliding in the shop to build the heavy equipment or heavy projects, because too heavy. So that's why we need to support the crane inside the shop. Okay, so that's it for now. How to build and the process to support the weld in the top, support weld plus the bolt, and in the ground is the concrete. Okay, see you guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos to come. Okay, that's it for now.